Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 better ways to give compliments. Number 1. You did an amazing job. It means praising someone's work or effort. Example: you did an amazing job cleaning your room. Number 2. I really admire your dedication. It means appreciating someone's hard work and commitment. Example: I really admire your dedication to exercising every day. Number 3. You have great taste. It means complimenting someone's style or choices. Example: you have great taste. This outfit looks fantastic on you. Number 4. That's a brilliant idea. It means praising someone's smart or creative thinking. Example: that's a brilliant idea to go on a picnic today. Number 5. You handled that really well. It means complimenting how someone dealt with a situation. Example: you handled that really well when the plans changed. Number 6. You're so talented. It means acknowledging someone's natural skill. Example: you're so talented at drawing. Number 7. I love your positive energy. It means appreciating someone's cheerful attitude. Example: I love your positive energy. It makes everyone smile. Number 8. You make things look so easy. It means complimenting skill and ease. Example: you make cooking look so easy. Number 9. That really suits you. It means saying something looks good on someone. Example: that color really suits you. It brings out your features. Number 10. You're a great person to work with. It means praising someone's personality and cooperation. Example: you're a great person to work with, always supportive and organized. Great job today! Now you know 10 simple compliments in English. Try one today and see how people respond. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Lexicon Lane. Bye for now!